So guys, the continuation, same fourth chapter 4.1, second Roman, third question we are going to see. And here also in the Roman what they said, by using the given statement we have to represent the quadratic equation alone. No need to solve it. Just we have to form a quadratic equation. Understand? Don't do it anything. First you listen. Stop your work. Stop everything. When I give time to copy, you just do it. If I start to speak about a question, when I start to explain, you have to listen. Right. So here they asked to form. That's it. They asked to form equation. They didn't ask to solve. Clear? Shall we go? Right. What is that person name? Rohan. Okay, listen. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So they are talking about ageism. Already we have discussed it in third chapter. If they are talking about like a word problem, and what we have to find, that you take better. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So present age they are asking in the sense present age we have to assume. How many people we have? Rohan's mother and Rohan's. But here they asked to find Rohan's age. Then Rohan's you just assume as a x, mother will assume as a y. Equation we should give in x only, because which they are asking in that format we have to give. Okay, Rohan's age they are asking in the sense Rohan's what variable you assumed, either x or y. If you people assumed x, in x we have to give a equation. Rohan's age if you assumed as a y, in y we have to give a equation. That is the concept. Do you understand what I am speaking? Right, fine. Now we'll assume Rohan's age as x. Let that means percentage. Okay. So Rohan's present age equal to x years. This is about years, and I'm going to take y as a Rohan's mother age. Okay, and Rohan's mother present age, which is equal to, can you write fully? Present age which is equal to what it is? Y years. So like that we are assuming here. Right, fine. The first condition says what? Let's see. First condition says Rohan's mother. What we assumed as Rohan's mother? Y. So Rohan's mother is in the sense equal. Rohan's mother is 26 year older, in the sense what mean? More. Am I right? So we have to add 26 year older than him. Him in the sense that fellow who is Rohan's. So plus x. Do you understand the thing which we formed? So that is one you just take. Now next, the product of their ages in year, 3 year from now. 3 year from now they are telling. 3 year from now in the sense in each ages what will be as done? Plus say 3 will be added, because 3 here from now. So 3 year from now in the sense after 3 year the meaning. Okay, after 3 year what it mean? Then after 3 year, after 3 years Rohan's age will be what it is? X plus 3 years. What it is? X plus 3 years. Like that is mother y plus 3 years. Am I right? Am I right? Right. So what the second condition? Very clearly, if you want to put a box like which I gave already, in that pattern also you can make. Okay. The product of their ages 3 years from now, in the sense these together when you product, we are getting what they are telling? 360 they are telling. What they are telling? 360. So Rohan's age after 3 years multiply. Rohan's mother age after 3 years, when you product, we are getting 360 it seems. We are getting 360 it seems. That's it. Is it understand? And we would like to find Rohan's present age. That means we have to form an equation in Rohan's age. That means in x we have to form. Then which we have to remove? Y. So y I don't want then. Then what is y I know? Huh? From 1. Okay. So that I can substitute here. So x plus 3 multiply. Y value I know 26 plus x plus 3 once again, which is equal to 360. Now add 26 under 3. What I am getting, let me see. X plus 3 into 26. So x you write as it is 26 plus 3, 29, which is equal to 360. Now we can multiply this. Okay. So x into x, like that, x into 29. 3 into x and 3 into 29. Like that we have to multiply. Do you understand? So x into x, what I am getting? X square. X into 29, 29x. Like that. 3 into x, 3x. Okay, then 3 into 29, just 87. Right. When you bring minus 360, yeah, which is equal to 0, and subtract it now. The numbers. X square, 29x. When I subtract 360 minus 87, what I am getting? When I borrow 5, 10, so I am getting 3. Again, when I borrow 15, 7, 2. Minus 2, 7, 3, which is equal to 0. Where x is? Plus adatanga. We couldn't add that 3. We should add here. We should add here. We should add 29 plus 3. That we should add here. Okay. So 32x. 32x. Now this is required or no? Right. Where x is what? That you should mention. Where x is or x equal to Rohan's present age. Rohan's present age in year. In year. Okay. So this is the required. If you need to find, we have to solve this either by using quadratic formula or I factorization. We have to solve this. These two things only we have in the syllabus. One more it was there once upon a time, completing square method. It is deleted for us. Okay. So we have I factorization and a quadratic formula. We'll see in the next exercise that things. Here no need to solve. Is it okay now? They are very important. To form an equation is very important. The first one which we did and the second, these two things if you are clear, then we can go very easily. Do you understand? Forming equation is very important. Now I am going the fourth one. Fourth one, we are moving. A train travel a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. So which we have to assume in a x that you just go in the last, what they asking to find? You need to find speed of train. What they asking to find? Speed of train. The speed of train in the sense, here they are talking about something what it is. That is speed of train. Uniform speed or speed of train, both are here same like that they mentioned. That I am going to assume as something. What? Always. What are you assuming? X, that's it. Okay, 4th chapter, 9th chapter, 2nd chapter. If you want to assume anything, this fully algebraically, okay, you can go with x and y. X is first reference. So x equal to I am taking as uniform speed of train, or uniform speed equal to train. Okay, uniform speed of train, which is equal to x kilometer per hour. Speed you should take like this, x kilometer per hour. Right, fine. Now we have this. Okay, the speed had been 8 km less. Right, fine. Next, a train travel distance what? 480. Then distance that is d, we can say. What they are given? 480 km. Speed of train we can say yes, it's a kilometer. Anything else? Okay, one by one I'm going. Next, the speed had been 8 km less. 8 km less. See, from the uniform speed, the train had been little slow. How much? 8 kilometer the driver has done slowly. Okay, slowly just driving the train. Okay, then the speed here, the speed, suppose if you are taking speed 1, this is what, speed 2, that is s2. Okay, speed 2, that is what it is, s2. This is s1. Or else here you mention speed 1, here no need to mention, then you go directly speed 2, but s2 is better. Okay, s2, s1 is better, you go like that. Speed 2, what they are telling, from the uniform speed 8 kilometer as subtracted, that is less, then x minus 8 kilometer per hour. Okay, it would have taken 3 hour more to cover the same distance. If speed is less, then time will take little more. Am I right? If I'm going to my home every day within 5 minutes, in the sense, every day I'm going with 40 kilometer, I'll reach my house, home, what is that, within 5 minutes. Every day I'm going 40 kilometers. One day it's emergency, so I'm going with 60 kilometer per hour, in the sense, then I'll reach little, what is that, to that earlier, the time will be reduced. Am I right? Like that, when this, see, when speed is increased, time will be decreased. When speed will be decreased, time will be increased. One day I don't have mind to go home. There is some problem in my house. Sorry, home. There is one problem in my home. The problematic person, if I go little late, he will be going his home. So if I go slowly, I can avoid the problem. So that I started to move little slow. That means every day I will be going 40. No, I am going in a 20 kilometer per hour. I am driving my bike in 20. So what will happen? Time will be increased. Every day I will be reaching 5 minutes. Within 5, I mean 5 hour, within 5 I will reach. If I go in 20 kilometer, what will happen? It will take 10 hour more than that. Am I right? So when I reduce the time, time will be increased. Like that, here, when speed is reduced 8 kilometer per hour, then time will be increased. Then time we have to assume the beginning time. When they go in a uniform speed, what is the time? That we have to assume. Oh, sorry. That we have to assume. We cannot bring down. We can bring, no? It's not coming. But with the off is coming. What is this funny things is happening here? Okay. It's not coming. Leave it. In the BenQ board, it's coming, I think. Right, fine. What I said? The time. We have to add a time. Time. If I'm moving in a uniform speed, then what is my time? Time. I'm going in a YR. YR something. If I'm going in a X kilometer per hour, I'm reaching the place in YR. Y can be anything. Okay. If I am going in 8 x minus 8 kilometer per hour, then I will reach time 2. This is time 1. Then I am reaching what they are telling here. See, they said very clearly 3 are more than to cover the same distance. Which we have taken earlier. Along with that, 3 hour it will take more, it seems. So what it will be? Y plus 3. What, my dear? Y plus 3. When I reduce speed, the time will be increased 3 hours. When I reduce 8 kilometer, the time will be increased 3. Okay, then we need to find the speed. That's it. Is it okay? Is it okay what they are telling? Still I didn't form an equation. This is given condition, just I have written. Shall we move on now? Right. What is the formula? Distance, speed, time formula. Anyone knows this? Right. So we have distance, which is equal to speed into time. We have this in our hand now. So distance is what? 480, which is equal speed 1 into time 1. Am I right? Right. If I come the second condition, which we have here, same 480, because when see whether I am going my home faster or slower, whether I am reaching in 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but from our school to my home, The distance is what? It never changes. Whether you go in a speed, whether you go in a slow, that's not a problem. But distance, it never changes. Like that, here also the distance will be same. It never change. Do you understand what I speak? Then speed 2 into time 2. If you are using speed 2, time 2, same distance. If you are using speed 1, time 1, same distance. Do you understand this? Now, so 480, which is equal, what is speed 1? Here, x. What it is? X. Time 1, y. Do you understand this? Right. One more. And here, 480, which is equal to, what it is? X minus 8 into y plus 3. This is. So, instead of y, what they asked to find? Speed of train. Train in the sense what? X. So, we instead of y, we can substitute here. The x you send opposite. So, what I will get? What I will get? Is it okay? Then this we can substitute instead of this y. Can I substitute? Then I will get a required. Am I right? Am I right? This is one idea. This is one idea. I have one more idea. That is also I will give. First I will complete this. Okay. Right. 480, which is equal to x minus 8 into, what is y value? Very good. 480 divided x plus 3. Am I right? Now we have to simplify this. Okay. Take cross multiple here. So what I will get? 3x, right. This 480, let it be. Now x minus 8 into 480, x into 3, 3x, whole divided x. The whole divided x is common for both the term. Am I right? Then divide x, when you send to opposite, what will happen? It will multiply with a 480. Am I right or wrong, my dear? Then multiple. Then what I am getting? 480 into x equal to, what I have here? X minus 8 into 480 plus 3x. That's it. Now we have to multiply this with the number. With this we have to multiply. X into like this. X into this. 8 into this and 8 into this. Is it okay? Shall we multiply? So here I have 480x, which is equal to x into 480, 480x, x into 3x plus 3x square, minus 8 into 480 minus 3840. 3840. Is it so? Right. 8 3s are 24x. Is it okay? 8 into minus 8 into 3x, I am getting minus 24x. Is it okay? Now, this 480x will cancel. When you take to other side, it will be negative. So, I am getting cancelled. It's not equal to 1, 0 because it's subtraction. Okay. Right. So, what I have a remaining? 3x square minus 24x minus 3840. Is it common 3 in all the place? Am I right? We can divide 3 on both sides. When you divide 3, what I am getting? Here 0 equal to x square. 8 3s are 24x. Sorry. 8 3s are 24x. And here minus 1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 6. 1280. Okay. 1280. Where x is what, my dear? Very good. Where x equal to uniform speed of train. Uniform speed of train. That's it, Tango. Do you understand this? Simplifying is very important. One more method is there. That can I give that? Can I give that? Listen carefully. Listen carefully. I am not going to use time here. Time I will use, but one more thing you have to listen. First time something, and second time something, which is equal to 3 hours they said. But which is bigger here? Time 1 is bigger, time 2 is bigger. No. Then minus I have to give here. Okay. Do you understand? That means I will assume time 1 equal to, it takes 2 hours. 2 hours. Time 2, what they said, if I go slowly, 3 hours more they said. Then what it will be? 5 hours. When I subtract each time, what I'm getting? Which they said more, I'm getting. Am I right? So that I'm going to do the work here. That work I'm going to use here. So bigger time is time 2, smaller time is time 1, equal to 3 hours. Is it understand? Right. Time equal to what is formula? Distance divided speed. Can you accept? Right. So time 2 in the sense distance divided speed 2 minus time 1 in the sense distance divided speed 1 equal to 3. Can you accept with this? Distance is what? 480 divided speed 2 is what? Huh? X minus 8 minus this is what, man? 480 divided speed 1 x, okay, which is equal to what? 3. What is common? 480. Take outside 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x, which is equal to 3. When you simplify this, I will get that answer. Surely I will get. Can I simplify the small size? Take cross multiple. So what I am getting? 480 equal to x into 1. Like I am taking cross multiple. 1 into x, x. Here minus it. Then minus into x, minus x. Minus 8 into minus 1 plus 8 divided x into x, x square, x into 8, 8x. Do you understand this? When I take cross multiple, what I am getting? X square into this, what I am getting? 480. What happened? 3 I left. 3, which is equal to 3. So this is multiple. Right, fine. Wait. Here, instead of give multiply, I gave equal. Here it is 3. Then plus x minus x cancelled. 480 into 8. 3,840. Right. When you send this opposite, what I am getting? 3x square minus 8x. When I divide 3 on both sides, you will be getting that answer. Now we are here. Have you noticed it? What happened? 8 3s are 24x. Thanks, Raja. Wait, or else I will rough this. What we have here? X square minus 8x. Here I will do. 480 into 8. What do you said? 3,840 equal to 3 into x square, 3x square. 3 8s are 24. 24. Minus 24x. When we divide 3 on both sides, we can get that answer. Am I right? Then divide 3 on both sides, what you will get? 1,280, which is equal to x square minus 8x. When you send this opposite, you will get that step. Am I right? So which you likes? First or second? Second one. Why second one? Second one is smaller one. So that. Are you understand? Do you understand that? Tell me, I will rough, then I will give the second one as. You can copy both. Okay. Then, wait. Then I will give a color. Okay. This is another method. If you fix, I will choose next which method I want to choose. Hereafter, can I go with the second or first? Second. Okay, confirm. But we can go in both. You will be getting answer. Okay. That is in your hand only, which you understand that what is that you want to go. It's very important. Based on this, even we are getting like 5 more questions also, even credit sums also they will be asking. One more question is there or what? It's over. No, can I give a time for copy? Yes. Here also 1 4 I erased. 4 8. Is it okay, Daraja? Yeah, you copy better both. The previous one, previous one also. Wait, before that, we'll stop recording.